little project I did today. I reversed the up and down switches on there. I had to do a little bit of cutting and stuff on the, I tore this apart, and there's a silicone, the up and down switches are on a silicone pad. I had to cut away some stuff. I also had to cut away a little bit of the printed circuit board, which got rid of, and an LED light, which I don't even think worked because I never saw it flash when I used this. Anyways, I reversed it. So now up is up here and down's here. Before it was vice versa. But since I mounted my actuators upside down, you'd have to push up to go down and down to go up. But now you can push down to go down, and it'll go down. Takes 1 minute and 5 seconds to get from my level there, that tunnel portal to the next one. Anyways, pretty cool. I'll be able to get some track on there. This is a piece of broken track here that somebody threw in a corner. Anyways, right now you just have a little dongle here, or what do they call that? Dongle, I think. Anyways, when you get to the down position where you want to stop it, you just push up and it'll stop. But eventually I'll have some limit switches put on here, so it'll be automatic stop in position at the bottom and the top. See, that's where we want to go. Now it looks like that pole on the bottom is in the way of the tunnel portal, but I don't think it is. If it is, I'll move that tunnel portal over to the right a little bit. It's pretty cool. A little bit noisy, but this will be inside a separate room from the train room. The train room's on the other side of that block wall. I don't think it's going to be a problem. I thought I might be able to encase the motors a little bit with foam. I don't know if that would quiet it down or not. Hard telling. I got a gallon of paint over there and some 5-pound box of screws for weight to level it, because it rocks, see? But I think this is going to be really easy to set up. When I get it up to where I want to stop it, I just push the down button and it'll stop instantly. Right there. So there you go.